Sithokozani ugogo nomkhulisa kwasendoda lesikokho bathi nombathi mavula kuvala emzini amadoda uAunty Usha, your number one Luke Smith. I'm going to give a simple advice today. Very simple advice. And I know this by personal experience, from consulting from other people and from consulting on behalf of people. Guys, don't play with Muti. Don't play with Muti. You know, traveling helps one to understand things in a most exciting experience, shocking experience, and spiritual experience. You know, traveling to these different countries has really taught me a lot that no one can see. You know, the knowledge I'm getting from these countries, it's not a knowledge that I can simply explain it, A, B, C, D, E. I remember when I was in a podcast, Pratemba, you know, he asked me about which country is the best. Yes, I did answer that, and I can still say it is South Africa in terms of the number of Muti. But the knowledge that we have in South Africa, it's enough for South Africans. It's enough for us in South Africa. However, if you go outside the country, if you go outside to other countries, that's where you realize what I thought I know, but I really know or knew very little. Today I'm giving this to say, don't play with Muti. Don't take Muti for granted. Guys, Muti works. Guys, Muti works, but you need to understand the formula of Muti. Unfortunately, Muti will never work for you until you educate yourself by understanding the formula of Umuti. And the formula of Umuti, it starts with one step, which is fundamental. It's a discipline. It starts with one fundamental step, which is a discipline. Sarwa, what do you mean by saying a discipline? Discipline, I mean you doing things accordingly to the instruction of the healer. Don't take shortcuts. Don't do things that you think they will be fine with you. Don't assume ukuthi Muti that you got from Umkhulu Mhlanga, it's the same Muti, it's the same way that you can use with Umuti kaGogo Bathini. Those are two different Mutis. However, it's one Muti. Each and every Muti, it has its terms and conditions. Because there's a lot that is done to Umuti before it can reaches your hand. Before it reaches your hand, there's a lot that has been done. A lot that has been done to Umuti. It's not a matter of taking Umuti from the bush, from the mountain, and give it to you. No. There's something that we do on Umuti spiritually that is aligned with ancestors. Umuti is not as naked as you see it. It's not. That's why I always tell people to say, you see these people that are selling imiti that we call otrita, we call herbalists. on the markets, in the hostels, on the taxi ranks and everything. Actually, those people are not selling muti for an ordinary person. That muti is raw. It is original. You can get people who are selling exactly the muti that you think you are looking for. But that muti is raw. It has nothing. There's no spiritual connection, or there's no spiritual it's not infused by anything. There's nothing. It's raw. And the chances of that muti to do exactly what you want to see happening are 40%. It's just 40%. Yes, you got the right muti, but that's it. Because you don't know how to mix image. You don't know how to solve the X of umuti. That is where the problem is. So today I'm saying, don't take muti for granted. Don't you think umuti doesn't work? Don't you think umuti doesn't work? Umuti does work, but we need to understand what is the formula of umuti. What does ugogo mean, Magati? I need to be disciplined about umuti. And I'm not going to be telling you here to say, with my muti, this is what you need to do, this is what you need to do. Because we have a problem here. Some of the guys will listen to this channel, and then you go and want to tell your healer, but I think this is how it's done. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. I'm not giving lessons for muti to say, muti works this way and that's it. No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. I'm not the chief of traditional healers. I'm not the king of traditional healers. I'm not the superintendent of traditional healers. I'm not, I don't know how can I put it, I'm not induna of traditional healers or of healing in general. So I cannot tell you, Uguti, this is how it's done and it ends there. I can't. I'll be lying to you. I'll be misleading you. So we need to understand, Uguti, all that I'm teaching here is discipline. Ask questions. Don't just take muti and go and ask another healer. I get offended if you come to me and to ask me to say, yes, Gogo, there's this healer that gave me this muti. I don't know how to use it. I forgot and I cannot get a hold of him. I can't assist you. Unfortunately, I can't assist you. I can't help you. Sorry, I can't. So if you go into the healer, introduce yourself into writing things down, not on your phone. Have a notebook to write things up. Then at your spare time, you can transfer them to your phone, or you can take a picture of what you have written and put it on your phone. Simple. Because the problems that we have is we don't ask questions. The next thing, you are stuck with muti that you cannot use. Why you can't use it? It's because, it's for simple reason, you don't know how. You didn't ask. You were too hurried to go and use it, not knowing exactly what you need to do. And when you are alone now, the network comes back. Uguti, how can I do it? How it's done? So this is what I've learned in these countries, especially the recent one that I went to. Muti is respected. Guys, muti is respected. Muti should be respected. You don't place muti anywhere, anyhow. That's the first thing. You don't put muti or place or hide or put anyhow, anywhere, you need to be careful. You need to be careful where you store, where you put your muti. Because your muti, it's now belonging to you. When that muti is given to you, you are now the owner of that muti, because you have paid for it. That is one. This is a general knowledge, but it's not a cornerstone of the knowledge. I'm not saying this is it and that's it. Respect your healer. One, in general, fundamental says what? Discipline. What entails it within discipline? Where you put your muti. It is very important. Very, 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 very much important. Two, use the muti as per instruction. Not as per your knowledge. Not as per what you think they said. That is number 2. Number 3, find out if you have to or not talk to umuti. There's muti that you need to talk to it, and there's muti that you just need to keep quiet. That is very important. 4, finish your course. If your muti, it says 7 days. If your muti, it says 3 months in total of not doing A, B, C, D, E, that is still umuti. That instruction that says avoid A, B, C, D, E for 3 months, it means that muti is still in motion, is still working on you. The fact that you are finished that 7 days and you put that muti aside, you are done with it. You are not done. You are just finished the first phase. It's done. The first phase is done. The second phase is to wait and not to do A, B, C, D, E. That might be sex, alcohol, drugs, going to places with a lot of people, eating fish, eating whatever. It doesn't matter. Just take the instruction from your healer. Guys, I'll keep on bringing these fundamentals because I've really realized ukuthi ishaya la ekugcineni of how to use umuthi. Take those 4 fundamentals and do as I'm telling you with whatever muti, wherever you got it from, as long as you got it from the healer. Why I'm emphasizing the fact that as long as you got it from the healer. Guys, there's a lot that we do. We do baptize the muti. My muti, how can I give you an example? This muti on Oma, this muti, it's not just muti that you can just get and use. There's a lot that I do on muti so that it does exactly what it needs to do. Yes, we do make sure ukuthi this muti, when you got it and there's a balance somehow that you didn't pay, it stops working. Yes, we do install a tracker. You know this tracker that when you switch off the car, then when you start it, it won't start. Yes, we do. Our muti does have tracker. Or rather, let me speak for myself. My muti, it does have a tracker. Whereby, if you take a muti, and when I trusted you, Uguti, you will come and bring my balance. and you think now you are clever because when you are going from one healer to another, and you were not sure of what you wanted from me. I don't have time to write people's name down to say Usbanban is owing me this much. I don't have that time. And I don't give a credit anyway to people, but sometimes my spirit tells me to say you can trust this person. So if your ancestor says I can trust you, and when you want to prove your ancestors wrong, or no, you are not to be trusted, my muti kwambat, it has a tracker, it switches off. Simple. It just switches off. When you'll say, hey, I'm using this muti, things I saw things are coming my direction, what. That's why I always laugh at people who are coming to say, yes, Gogo, things were coming okay. I was, trying to put some money together to come and pay you, and then suddenly things stopped. You're lying. You had money to come and pay, but you thought you were smart, and then things stopped. Coco, whenever I go to a healer, they'll give me something, and when I start doing it, things will go well, and then suddenly things they stop. Did you pay? Did you pay? Guys, there's nothing for mahala. There's no mutu for free. There's no mutu for free. That's why I always say, stop insulting healers and say, can you give me this muti? I'll come and pay it when things are fine. That is an insult. You are actually insulting the healer by saying that. I don't know any healer, even one healer, who will say, come to me, I'll do everything for you, and then you will pay. It doesn't happen. You hear somebody telling you about, the real muti, it's when the healer would give you and say, go and use it, and you'll come back, and you'll see what's going to happen. Go to that healer. It's fine. If whenever you know of that healer, go to that healer. It's like saying, yeah, the bank will give you the money, and then when the business is going well, then you can pay back the bank. That's what we are saying. So I was just giving you on the Monday morning, on this Monday morning, just giving you guys the fundamentals, reminder of fundamentals. If you want muti to work for you, be disciplined. And within discipline, there's respect of muti. Within discipline, you are paying for that muti. Within discipline, you are going to finish the course of that muti. Within discipline, you are going to go back and give the feedback. Within the fundamentals of that, within that discipline, you are going to make sure that you do things accordingly to the healer as they've instructed you to say, this is how muti works. Lastly, I don't know what to say this. Stop lying to your healer, guys. Guys, as healers, we are not as stupid as you think. We're not as stupid as you think. Don't come to me and lie. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to a healer. Starting from, Gogo, yes, I don't have money, Gogo. I'm so broke. Gogo, I'm so broke. I don't even have money for bread. Gogo, I don't know when last did I buy KFC for myself. Gogo, I'm so broke. Gogo, I don't have money. Gogo, I don't know what to do. Gogo, it's so bad. Okay. How can I assist you? How can I assist you? I look at you. How can I assist you? Hi, Gogo, I need help. What? Then we start the consultation, and after that, I give you the price. Hi, Gogo. It's okay, Gogo. Then you'll hear, hey, Gogo, Hey, say, I've made some few calls. I've managed to put together this money, as you said it, Gogo. Gogo, here it is. We can do the work. Where's your woo, 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 down the drain? Don't lie to your healer. Gogo, they said, I did this. Gogo, family says, I did this. I didn't. Gogo, I don't know. Gogo, they say, I didn't do it, Gogo. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. You are not in court. Hello? Don't lie to your healer. If you committed crime, tell your healer what happened. Because the formula to solve your problem, it's based on what I heard from you. And nothing but the truth. Ukuthi, what happened? So, coming to a healer with all sorts of stories, ukuthi, you have nothing, what. Even the ancestor that is responsible to give you that bread for you to eat every day, it will withdraw its funding. Because you are lying. When you are lying, you are saying a lot about the bunch of ancestors that are with you. That I will close it there. Stop lying to your healer. You are not solving anything. You are not solving anything. You are just telling, showing, displaying ukuthi wena, you are a liar. You are not a responsible person. You are not a reliable individual by lying. And we can pick it up. Ukuthi, you are lying. And yes, sometimes ungangishaya. Sometimes you can knock me. Then I believe you ukuthi you don't have, and I give you umuthi. Trust me, that muthi will never work. That muthi will never work. We talk to our muthi. Mina, I talk to my muthi to say, this is what I'm giving you. This is what I'm going to help people. This muthi is meant to do A, B, C, D, E, but only if that person is honest with me. Period. Period. If you're not being honest, if you think you are smart, that muthi will never work. Then you'll follow them. That one doesn't know anything. That one, that one. That one, don't tell me about that one. That one, in. You'll join them. You'll join them. And when they come back and now pay and now do things accordingly, they won't announce to say, hey, I went back and I redone things the good way, the right way, the disciplined way. Things are happening. They won't announce that. Why we don't have people who are going on social media? I want to close this video with that question. Why we don't have people on the social media who will say, I'm where I am today because of Ogogo Batin. Why we don't have that? Even if a person, you really helped that person, why we don't have that? Yes, we do have a text that we put on social media that people say, Gogo, I'm now working and everything. But why we don't have people that will say, Gogo, I'm where I am and I'm who I am because of you. And people will opt to say, it's all by the grace of God. Hey, glory to Jesus. We do have them. We do have people to say, I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for God. But we don't have people who will say, I'm where I am because of whoever. However, we do have people who will say, Usbanibani doesn't have umuti. Usbanibani knows nothing about umuti. We do have those people saying that Usbanibani took my money, Usbanibani did that. Why do we have that? I know why. And you tell me if you need that video. Sarwa sendo tukoko batini batuma fula kufademsi na matot. U anti usha. Izizwe. Makos.